When we open the QuickVu box, we find that the components are neatly packed and well protected. As we remove the pieces, set them aside, you see that in the bottom of the box are the miscellaneous mounting components and Velcro tape and so on. We'll set the packing material to the side. We will open up the plastic bag, take out the parts, take those aside. We'll open up the monitor, pull that out. Now you'll see that the monitor has a mounting bracket as well as a hood, and we will mount those right now so you'll see how to do that. This easily adjusts by pulling out slightly. You put that on the back of your monitor. There's a little pack of very tiny screws that you want to open up. And with a small Phillips head screwdriver, we will mount the mounting bracket to the monitor itself. Once that is on there, this is easily adjusted. Just pull slightly and bend, and you can tilt it to any position you'd like. Alright, you'll take the hood, take the tab on each side and slide it carefully into the slot on each side of the monitor, and then simply work it down slowly on each side. The next thing we'll do is we will mount the camera to the back of the vehicle. First we remove the license plate, just remove the existing screws. Then we take the camera and just install it over the license plate with the existing screws. And that's it. It was as easy as that. Next, we need to go inside the vehicle and mount the monitor. Alright, the next step, of course, is to mount the monitor and control box to the dash. We take the provided Velcro, peel the adhesive, free the adhesive backing in the back, stick that to the bottom of the control box, right in the middle. Make sure it's nice and snug. We will do the same for the monitor. Put it right on the bottom of that mounting bracket. And make sure that's nice and snug. Then peel the backing from that. Put it on your selected spot on the dash. Make sure it's someplace you'll be able to see it easily. Do the same with the control box. Set it up there next to it with the controls facing away from you. Mount that securely. Plug in the controls. Make sure that you plug the DC connector into the DC out and not the DC in. Position your cables. They're practically invisible. Take your other cable for your auxiliary power outlet, plug that into the back here. Plug it into the auxiliary power outlet or cigarette lighter, and you are done with your installation.